welcome to our vlog, part 3. Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. So we're gonna go for a swim. Yeah, but we're still gonna go swimming. Like, and that was tapas. We're here. We're here. Malamig?
How are you? I am under the water.
Kakaligo ko lang. Okay, so kakatapos lang po namin mag-swimming and we're on our way home to have lunch. No. I'm actually so hungry. Ayan yung thumbnail ko. Call me by your name. Butterfly tattoo.
Dito,
Wait lang. Nakita ba? Natin muna! Lalakad tayo! Di ba nungas ako? Pa yung t-shirt mo? Oh, there.
Hoy, may paiyak dyan ha?
Hi guys! Ready? Up. La.
Mary Rose and Joanna.
The next day. The next day.
Okay, good morning. I'll check the attendance.
Ay, doggy. Doggy. I wanna know what love is.
I brought the speaker with me. So I'm gonna play music.
Ang ganda!
Hindi na kayo halo-halo. If you go to the swimming pool and then you go to that part, that means there's no jellyfish.
Hold my hand. Babe,
Come, I'll just stay here.
you come with me, hold my hand. You'll be safe with me, okay? If you hold my hand, there will be no jellyfish.
Wait. Walang jellyfish!
What man? It's really pretty, no, guys. This is what I'm gonna miss kasi I'm leaving in a few days na and I'm trying to embrace, you know, the nature, the bodies of water. Like, I am incredibly blessed to feel this right now. You know, saan ka makakakita ng ganito sa city, diba? I mean, yeah, may mga beaches na ako napuntahan na malalapit sa city, but like, iba talaga yung appreciation ko dito sa Masbate. One of a kind talaga tong lugar na to, guys. Nag-enjoy talaga ako here. Oh my God. Mahal talaga ako ng tubig dito. Yeah, it's low tide. Actually, I like it. Takot siya actually pumasok sa tubig. Dahil Search siya ng search sa Google kung meron bang jellyfish. Nag-swimming ka. Nag-swimming kami ng pinsan ko and kept warning us na meron daw jellyfish daw dito sa beach na to. Ito, Dad Isma! Gusto ko mag-swimming eh. Bakit?
Thirsty ka!
Wala naman.
Listen, Google!
It's not accurate. Guys, I'm really having fun. This is what I call peace. Wow. That felt liberating. It's okay. I'm gonna go back here though. Yeah. Bawal ako matouch. Makulit akong tao. Diba? I love to explore. Yeah, hindi iinom. Opo, nag-inom po ulit. I really had fun last night and I also had fun watching this.
3, 4.
Yeah. Diba? Akin. Wala, I was in class. Thank you po, Tito. Wee! Salamat.
Six, 7.
So, ito na nga guys. Mukha na tayong tao ngayon, diba? So, right now, I'll just like do my hair. Na hindi rin naman magtatagal kasi nga naiwanan ko yung hairspray ko. Galing eh, no? Galing. Nakaka-proud. Grabe, ang galing-galing ko. So, yun lang. Yun ka na. Ay, mo umalis? Kulit mo ah. Sabi nang umalis eh. Alis! Alis! Hello! Welcome to the family! Okay, akin. Matcha latte. Ikaw. Spanish. We're here again.
Ito na lang yung pala sa I mean,
They gave us cookies, guys. Oh.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you, ha?
Thank you so much. This is my favorite. Bakit? Paganda ka. Good morning, everyone. It's like 6:43 a.m. I'm still alive. I have no idea how I got home, but like, will I still drink after this? I don't know. You know, I realized na hindi talaga ako pala inom sa Manila. Like, I barely, like, go out. I need to get coffee because, like, I don't think I can get through this day without any caffeine in my body. Yeah. Anyway, like I'm gonna start working on something. So our main challenge today was to not use our phones. Just, I don't know, feel connected. Guys, so I just finished swimming. And like that was so good. Wow. Ready to go back home. I'm just gonna walk, you know. God. I love my life. So, may mga bibili muna kaming chips and drinks, no? Para, you know, may makain kami mamaya. Kasama ko yung baby brother ko, si Kaylan, yung pinaka-pooging kapatid ko. Oh, what do you want? I swear to God, when I go back home, I'm not gonna look at the scale. Hey guys, so it's actually my last day. We're gonna have a lunch. And after that, I'm gonna go see my friends for the last time. Last time, ang OA ni bakla, ayoko na. Hindi naman sa last, cause like, I'm still gonna go back. But anyway, I'm actually like, I don't know if I should be sad or what, cause like, I'm not gonna lie, I kinda miss my bed, I kinda miss some of my friends. But, yeah, siguro late pa magsisink in sa akin. You know, I said this last time, I was like, oh, I miss my bed, and then I started crying when I was saying goodbye to my grandparents, so, yeah. Okay. Hi, doggies. Good ka? Uy.
Keep the doctor away. Babe, are we on a date now? Baby.
Baby, pwede pa subo?
Jamaic resident. Ayun na rice pala, sorry. So we are currently drinking and we have this is Krabby Patty. This is
Mr. Krabs.
Strawbellita. I know, it's great. This what's
Sinimo.
Sinimo po. Ano na siya? Black na siya. Tapos ito, si Squidward. Yan.
Bikini bottom.
Tapos ako si ano? Marley.
Si Blight.
Si Blight. I'm Blight from the Esperanza. From Esperanza. We're going to Arisdado later and to hang with our friends. So that's it. Bye.
Hi, dogs! Saan? Ito nga pala si Amber. Ang pretty niya, no, guys? No. Nagtatakip pa siya sa face.
love, yung one love.
No, I'm that bitch you don't. I got white for these. Get wins for that. Having another good year. We don't get limbs for that. It's the gang still.
God bless you so much. God bless you so much.
Tatay.
Lan.
Tatay boy. Agoy, si Lolo umiyak na. Umiyak. Ayan na, umiyak na kay. Umiyak kay.
Ang OA ngayon. Kita tayo.
Balik pa man lang. Bye, Celine! Okay. Wala, nihilak. Bye, guys! Uy, uwi ka ba?
Excited to eat that, so you're not crying.
Yeah. One Sprite and then one Twister fries and then 2 fries.
Kami kayo sa CCTV. Sige! Pero ganda ng view.